Hello students, very nice morning to all of you. Myself Deepak Kumar Prusti from Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada branch. Welcome to our e-learning class which is organized by Modern Group of Institution, Nevada, Bihar. Students, today I am going to discuss my second video lecture of the chapter 6. Topic is AutoSum and copying formula. So student, AutoSum, you see, AutoSum is one of the features of the Excel which is used for sometimes you need to calculate the sum of the between 10 numbers, 15 numbers, whatever. In that case, better to use the AutoSum. And after AutoSum, each and every cell no need to calculate the AutoSum. Once you put the formula of AutoSum, then you can easily copy from one cell to another cell. Okay. See student, this is the Excel. Okay. Suppose student, I want to open the new Excel sheet. You see, this is the new Excel sheet. Okay. So student, see, suppose I want to write here maths, okay, then science, then IT, then total. Okay students, suppose I want to insert the number 50, then 50, then 50. One of the student. Another one, I want to insert the 45, 47, 48. Okay student. Another one, suppose I want to 35, 36, then 39, like this. Okay, I want to calculate, this is a suppose 3 students of the marks. Then I want to put the AutoSum. It is very simple. Go to the editing group which is available in the home tab. See the home tab. Then after that, go to the editing group. Okay, then click on the AutoSum features, just like that one. That means no need to write the sum, then write the, this one is a cell reference. Okay, once you click, automatically it will take as the in the cell the corresponding, it will take the all the values. Okay, then press enter key. Okay, so this is your AutoSum. Once again I am typing. Okay student, again you click here, then just click on the again there. Okay student, D9 to F9. Yes, you see, this is your 9, this is your D. So D9, E9, F9. So this cell will be calculated. Then again press enter key. Okay student. So in this way you can easily use the AutoSum. So AutoSum, in this case, no need to write the student. Okay, no need to write the sum, then write the bracket, then this one. Okay, colon, then colon, suppose this one, again close, again press enter. The same result, but difference is your what? This one, it will take the very less time as compared with the this one. Yes or no student? Is that clear? So student, after using the AutoSum, is a very good feature of the Excel. Okay, in the AutoSum you see so many under the AutoSum drop down menu, you see so many another functions are there. If you want to do the student, okay, if you want to do the, suppose I want to write the maximum, then write, suppose I want to minimum, then average. Okay, if I want to find the maximum out of 3 subjects, okay, then again click on there. Okay, and click on the maximum. So again because when you click on there, this total will be taken. Okay, before the maximum, what type of the cells are there, the total value will be taken. So but I will not need this total, I need only the math, science and IT marks. So in this case only you type this one. Okay, this one is under the F, then you type the F. Okay, press enter. All right, is that clear or not? Similarly minimum, again go there, then click on the minimum. Again we don't need the H, just type the F, then press enter. Again 50. Yes or no? Then I want to find the average. Again click on the, again go there, then click on the average. Okay, so we don't need this one, right? Only we need only the f. Okay, so f8. Okay, press enter key. So in this way we can easily use the auto sum features. Okay, so student, next one will discuss the copying the formula. Copying the formula means, student, what do you mean by copying the formula? In the one time only you would calculate the formula, put the formula, calculate the values. In the next time only you copy. Then how it is possible? Suppose I want to calculate the auto sum. Okay, then press enter key. Only one time you do this one. Okay, then how to copy? You select this one and you see this is your active in the right bottom corner side. This one you hold the mouse and drag to downwards. Okay, you see. So this is your, student, copy the formula. Copy the formula from one cell to another cell. This is the formula equal sum D8 colon F8. The same also, same function name, but arguments different, but name of the functions are same. This is your copy the formula. The same also, maximum also you can do. The same also, minimum also you can calculate. The average also you can do. So in this way, student, you can easily copy the formula from one cell to another cell. Is that clear, student? So student, today class only this. In the next class we will discuss another formula, that is your function. That's it. Thank you.